How to fix verification fail in Binance. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to solve verification fail on Binance or in Binance. So if you want to fix the verification fail, all you have to do now, I'll show you 3 ways on how to fix this problem. So the first one is close your Binance app and go to Play Store on your phone. So if you are using iPhone or Android, go and open up the App Store or Play Store and search for Binance like this. After you search for Binance, go to this, open the Binance and update the Binance app if there is update. So after you finish updating the Binance app, just open the Binance app like this now and go ahead now and start verification. But if it still failed the verification, so now try the second method. So the second method is now go ahead and collect your friend's phone, like your someone phone from your area. After you collect their phone, go and install Binance on their phone and start the verification fresh. So after you start verification on a new phone, from there Binance will accept your verification. But if they still reject your verification, so I'll advise you the last method is now to wait for like 2 to 3 days to see. After you wait like 2 to 3 days, just go ahead and change the email that you use for the first time. So after you wait for like 2 to 3 days, then start the verification and start the verification with a new email address. So from there, if you start the verification with a new email address, after you wait for like 2 to 3 days, from there Binance will accept your verification. But if it still fail, I'll advise you to go back and check the email address that they sent you to see what is that specific thing that is causing your verification fail on your Binance. So maybe your ID card is not valid for Binance, or maybe your region is not allowed to install Binance account, Binance app. Go ahead and read the email address. From there, your problem will be solved. That's it on how to fix this problem. Hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe.